Male and female on gun and ganja charges in Negril.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, the Negril police say they have charged a man and a woman following a series of operations in Red Grove, Negril on Tuesday the 2nd of March, in which an illegal handgun and a quantity of ganja were seized. 38-year-old Richard Mosley, otherwise called Tupac of Red Grove in Negril, Westmoreland, has been charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. Meanwhile, 45-year-old Desireen Campbell, also of Negril, has been charged for possession of and dealing in ganja. Reports from the Negril police are that lawmen conducted an operation at a premises in the area at about 3 p.m. The police team reportedly saw a man acting in a manner that aroused their suspicion. A motor vehicle that was in the yard was searched, and the firearm, a Taurus handgun with 12 rounds of ammunition, was found in the glove compartment of the vehicle. A secondary operation was carried out at another premises occupied by Campbell, where 4 pounds of ganja was seized. She was arrested and subsequently charged. The court dates for both people are being finalized, the police said. Investigations are ongoing.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!